guys, Mike with A&M here. Today we are actually back at the property. We did a pavilion clean out, so if you haven't checked out that video, check that out. But we are going to be cleaning up their yard a little bit. So over here there are some bushes that are just grown through the fence. We're going to clean up that fence line for them. And over here we are going to just kind of clean up this area as well. We were going to plan on taking these propane tanks, but I did some research on that, and it's actually like very illegal to travel with hazard waste like that, so we're not going to do that anymore. We got to call the county, and they're supposed to come out and remove it. And then back here, the same thing. We're going to go through all this and either trim these up or just cut out whatever we can, whatever they prefer. So they actually went through here with a lawnmower, it looks like, to really bring down a lot of these leaves and stuff, so that's a good thing. But just anything they really want cut out over here. And then if you watch the other video, they have little mini horses that just poop everywhere, so we got to watch out for that as well. But we're just going to clean up, and then we're going to load up the trailer, and then we're going to get out of here. So that's what today's video is about. All right guys, we've been here about 3 hours, pretty much got it all cleaned up. As you can see, it looks a lot better. You can actually move throughout there. I took his lawnmower and actually mowed through there as well. I usually would take a weed whacker and really clean it up, but my weed whacker actually was missing a piece, and I'm like 40 minutes from my house and from the shop, so I'm not able to weed whack today. But even though I'm not able to weed whack, she actually is going to come through with Roundup and just kill all this stuff, and then her husband can mow. Overall, she's pretty happy with this, and I'm going to come back by myself next week and finish up some of this, like on the other side of the fence there. We're going to get all those branches. They got some mini horses back there too. I'll see if I can get a shot of those. So you can kind of see them inside those trees there. They're just chilling in the shade. So don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and we'll see you next time.